every year, the new ahayuda replace existing ones. The retired, quote-unquote, ahayudas are placed in a separate piles with other retired images. So here we're seeing the current war gods in the front, and the retired ones, the ones that have completed their year of activity, are placed in the back of the shrine, but they have to remain there. All the images, from the Zuni perspective, all the images must remain as an integral part of the shrine. The retired images are meant to gradually disintegrate and return to the earth. Once an image is installed at a shrine, no one has the authority to remove them. Zuni religious leaders believe that to remove any of these objects from their place will unleash their powers and can be dangerous for humanity as a whole. From the Zuni perspective as well, the creative process of the priests is a process that bestows spiritual life on the formerly inanimate materials of which these objects are made. So in other words, once they have been activated by the priests, these images are considered to be sentient beings. They are gods.